Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Habib from Pakistan. I have created this YouTube channel for the people who want to learn WordPress or want any tips and tricks. So from today I will upload YouTube videos for WordPress or any tips and tricks about WordPress. So I hope you will like my videos, and if you like it, then please must comment, like, and must subscribe my channel. So without wasting our time, let us start our first YouTube video, which is how to create subdomain on Cpanel, plus how to install WordPress manually. So let's begin. Let's go to our Cpanel. So first of all, we will go to our domain. Here are domains. It's a domain. Basically, it's our primary domain, so we will not do anything with that, but we will do with subdomain. So as you can see, subdomain, text field, domain, and the document root. So it's basically saying that which name you want to use as your subdomain. Like I will use tasting. So now you can see our main domain is still creative-habib.com, but you can see document root is tasting.creative-habib.com. so when we'll create this, so it's showing us that we have nothing here, and we created this. So now when we go to a file manager, we can see that there is a folder in root from name testing.creative-habib.com. so now we will see that how to install a WordPress manually in Cpanel. Okay, so we will upload a WordPress file here. First of all, we have to go to wordpress.org, so we can download our first WordPress latest version. Okay, so I have already downloaded. Okay, let's go to my WordPress file. Yeah, so here it is. Okay, so I have already created some files, but let me show you how to create we have a file wp-config-sample.php. so we have to duplicate this file. Now you can see that we have two files, so you have to remove this, and now you have to open this. Okay, as you can see, database username, database password, and host. Host will remain the same localhost, but for the database name we have to create like testing WordPress, and is for the testing purpose, so we will use username is same, password same. Now we will save it and close it. After all, we will create a zip for this. Okay, so now we have to upload a WordPress file here. As you can see, file is uploading. After completed this, we will uh, extract the files in cPanel. Right now it's blue, so when it will be green, it's mean it done. Okay, so it's done. Let me go there and reload the page. Okay, so now you can see we have a WordPress file. We have to extract here all WordPress file. Like you can see testing.creative-habib.com. It's the main root file which we have created the subdomain. It will extract the files there, and now we can delete WordPress zip file. And as you can see, testing WordPress, it's a name. So now we have to create a database in cPanel. So we have to create one database. As we choose the name in WP config. Okay, so we have a prefix already here, so we should change the name. We will use creative dash testing WordPress, and we will create database. It's created successfully and is showing creative underscore testing WordPress. Now we will go to create an user as well, and it will be like testing and password will be testing WordPress, testing WordPress. So, and we will create the user, creative dash Habib, oh sorry, creative dash testing. So now we have to add user to database. For that we will select user, which we have created now, creative underscore testing, and the second thing we will choose database, creative dash testing WordPress, and then we will add it. So now we have to change something in WP config. As we have a database creative testing here, and the username we have creative underscore testing, password we have testing WordPress, and then we will save the file. Let's go and just check all the privileges and make changes. And now when we just click the testing, done, it's showing WordPress installation. So now you have to select English, continue, your site title, testing WordPress, testing WordPress, testing WordPress, confirm weak password, you're happy at yopmail.com, and you can install WordPress here. Okay, so as you can see, we have finally done installation successfully. Now you can log in. We have created testing WordPress and password testing WordPress. Now log in, and as you can see now that we have installed WordPress successfully. You can go to check a site. It's done. So finally, it's a first tutorial about how to create a subdomain and how to install WordPress manually in that root file. So I hope you like my tutorial, and if you like it, then please must like my video and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope I will give you the more tips and tricks about WordPress. So keep in touch. Thank you.